Hey guys, Wicked Lego 101. I'm playing a game. Well, this is a gameplay of Battlefield Heroes. Right there. Yeah. He's just saying hi. Say what's up. Yeah, I'm gonna move him. Okay, I'm gonna play as Wrecked 101. And then on my next 4 videos, I might play as most of my other peeps. Okay. So on to him. Let's start. It's loading. Whee! This guy's running. Okay, let's play. This is an awesome game. Hold on a second. Okay, Battle Funds. First time funding bonus available now. Can't even get that. Why am I talking like that? Yeah, I don't know why I'm talking like that. I'm just weird. It's an awkward day. Riverside Rush. I'm playing there. Okay. Alright. It said I might be. It said. Well, never mind. Okay, so. This is pretty fun. I'm just gonna use spam grenades. Die, you piece of crap. Oh, first kill. Yeah. Awesome. I'm talking like this for no reason. Go die. Die. Die, you crud. Die, you crud. I'm gonna get killed. Yeah. I just killed Beast. Woo! Yeah. I'm going crazy in this game, so yeah. Sometimes I go crazy. I say random things. Most people think I'm weird, but I'm not. But I'm kind of annoying that way. Oh, I just got killed by Maxwell with a machine gun. But a guy named GGG her. Yeah, that's the awkward name. I'm gonna enjoy the fight. Go! Die. This is like Modern Warfare, but kind of cartoonish. Some way. Kind of way. Spam grenades. I want to use spam grenades now. Oh, I just got killed by the Hubble Double Trouble. And Beast took revenge on me. Yeah, he took revenge on me. Suckish. Really suckish. Yeah, pretty much. Very suckish. I like saying suckish. Die, you piece of crud. Yeah, I just killed Jesse Fur. Jesse Fergie. Jesse Fur 94. Wait, heal. I don't want to die. Of course I don't. Oh, you want healing? Okay. I'm just gonna waste my pistols. What am I pressing? Oh. Wrong keys. Spam grenades. Killed ya. Revenge. I took revenge, man. Oh, I just got killed by Gareth Custom. Yeah, pretty much. This is an awesome game. Oh, I just saw a dude. Yeah, just got killed. Wait, he didn't get killed. You just got killed. You just got... Oh, he suicide. I killed Killmaster. You just got killed by Wicked Lego 101, yeah. Spam grenades! Yeah, they're thrown farther. Oh, come on, I got killed by Seiki Gyof again? I know, it's a weird name. Just stupid. I hate this level. It's the worst level I ever played. I know. This is all you can do. There are no vehicles. This is all you can do. Die! I will kill you. Yeah, I just killed Killmaster. Twice. In a row. Oh wait, it's a stupid. Ain't that the truth? Oh, Snipper. Yeah, kill him. Wait. Die! Oh, thank you. Hey, I finally killed Sick Wolf. Die. I'm recharging my health. Wait, I see something. I'm gonna die. Told you. I died. That beast. Stupid beast. Yeah, I'm gonna throw you my spam grenades. Oh, well, you know. I can never take this place out. Die, you piece of crud. Wait. Ah, thank you. That's stupid good. Die, I'm gonna shoot you by, yeah, burning bullets. Killed ya. Ace Aaron. Dude, what the heck? I'm on your side. This is fun. Ain't that the truth? Yeah, I'm gonna die. Told ya. Ah, Jessica for 94 took revenge. Jessifer. Sounds like a girl's name. Sounds like a stupid girl name. Okay. Spam grenades. Yeah, that's right. Spam grenades. Oh, yeah, I'm now level 6. And I just got killed by Beast. Beast. Butt, man, butt. Oh, Snipper. Wait, that was my team. Snipper. Stupid Snippers. Yeah, it's gonna explode in 3, 2, 1. Sorry, Chopper. This is stupid. Yay! Joe's the killer got the last kill. And we won. Woo! Well, okay, now. Yeah. Yeah, it's awesome. Creepy bunny. Oh, I killed 9 people. Dude. I killed 9 people and never knew. I only thought I killed 3. Dude. Yeah, Rosa Rush again. Just hate this level. You have to go through this like 3 times to get. Hello, I'm back. Joe's the killer. Yay. He was the last one that got killed. Wait, he was the last killer. Yeah, it's over there. And if you hear anything in the background, I'm just turning on the TV for some reason. And though I'm not using it. I'm gonna use spam grenades. Yeah, you got this. Yeah, they're gonna come out here any second. Not really spam grenades? Yeah, die. Die like crap. Wonderful Wizard of Oz. I died. I killed GGG her. That's an awkward name. I bet they're teens. Because this is a rated teen game. And I don't really care about the ratings. Hey, still dead. Hey, who just shot me? Oh, Snippers? I hate Snippers. Stupid Snippers. Why am I so loaded? Yeah, I want to stay alive. I'm gonna throw spam grenades at them. Most people don't know what the heck spam grenades are. 6, 4. Yeah, you're gonna die. Oh, I hit him while I died. Thank you. I hate this. Yeah, I'm just gonna use a Hubble Double Treble. Yeah, it's a suckish gun. I say suckish a lot. It's an awesome game. Yeah, 1. You're getting killed by a man named Liquid Lego 101. Oh, come on. Give me a chance, man. Oh, come on. Yeah, the market. Yeah, I'm going to the market. Spam grenades, though. Better. My spam grenades. Explode! Yeah, Beast. Beast just got killed. By me. Wait, who just shot me? I'm gonna die. See, I just died. I don't like this level at all. It's a stupid level. Alright, I'm gonna swim. Yeah, my clothes. Not wet. Yeah, I hate swimming. It's so slow. Super slow. Oh, and here's one thing most people don't know about this game. You can climb this stupid ladder. Yeah, I'm gonna sneak up on that idiot. Oh, he saw me. Come on, I'm gonna kill you. Spam grenades. Okay, we're running around in circles. Stay there. Yeah, just kill Jesse Fur. Jesse Furry. Stupid Jesse. I'm gonna die. Don't you? I killed Jesse Fur in 94. It's a stupid gamer boy German guy. Oh, come on. How the... Cheeser. Yeah, I just killed USS Ventino. Oh, Beast took revenge. Yeah, it's time to kill. No time to waste. Go die. Beast got the last kill. Killed one of me. Yeah, I'm walking the river. Well, I'm just gonna say, hey, what's up? Yeah. Awesome, right? I killed 4 people and I died 6 times. And that... Dude. I should be on top of him. I should be on top of him. We're the same scores, but I killed more people and died more times. Yeah. Killed more people. Dude. I hate the Royal, but I joined them. Just experience. Ah, die. Dude, it would be awesome if he was like, wait, dude and dudettes. If you're watching this, it would be awesome if you could have like a Halo dude in here. Yeah, Halo dude. In a Modern Warfare game. Oh yeah, I love this place. Wait for me. Come on. Yeah, come on. And then you're not coming. You're gonna stay here and guard. Stupid person. I'm gonna be killed. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Yeah. Killed me. Yeah, most of my friends aren't that smart. Yeah, I know, these things bounce. Come on, Lynn. Dang plane. Watch out. I'm such a good driver. Oh, roadkill. Yeah, that's right. Don't mess with the Nationals. Oh, stupid cheeser. Why is it called the cheeser? Big question. Yeah, you have a machine gun. Yeah, stay there. Get on. Follow me. I'm an idiot. No, not. Wait. Get off. I'm gonna go back there and help them. I just saw a man. Yeah, die. 4 spams. Zach, come on, wait. Could you be the devil? Could you be the angel? Sorry, I'm singing. Yeah, weird reasons. Oh, I could have killed Beast. Stupid Beast. He's just standing there. Yay. That was so easy. I kill lots of people like this. Oh, I just killed USS Dollar. Yeah, I just died by Charlie Chopper. Gamer Boy. All one. Yeah, it's suckish. Dude, give me a stop. Dude, why is that Tony guy still there? I love this game. Oh, come on. I'm gonna shoot you. Roadkill. Yeah, die. Die like crud. Yeah, try to invade our world. I killed Rush Rule. He's not Rush. Oh, roadkill. I'm gonna die soon. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Cheezer. Wait, that's a Lewis gun. That's a super cheezer though. Come on, give me a Jeep. Oh, I'm a tank. Awesome. But he's travel slower. Yeah, I'm gonna crush all you people that just killed me. Oh, come on. Yeah, he's gonna die. Yeah, I killed you, idiots. I killed you. Wow, I love this tank. Oh wait, he's on our side. Well, I like this tank. Get on, duck. I kill a lot of people by this. Oh, I just died. Well, at least I killed a lot of people. Oh, thank you. He's dead. I'm a duck. No, I'm there. I'm gonna pop up. Oh, come on. Well, that guy in the back there got it. Oh, he's killed by Ezio. I know, I like calling myself Ezio. Get off. Oh, I'm dead. Very really nice. Oh yeah, it just popped up. Kill me. Oh, get on. No. I'm gonna crush all you people. Get off. Yeah. Ah, he got this. Whee! Suicide. Yeah, I know. Yeah, follow me. I'm gonna shoot you with my spam grenade. Wait, chuck it at you. Did he just die? What the heck is that sound? So hypnotizing, could you be the devil? Sorry, I'm singing. This song's stuck in my head. E.T. Yeah, song by Katy Perry. War Machine. Wait, give me a tank. Come on. I love tanks. But it's easier to get road kills with them. Oh, yeah, they got that. Shipwreck, really? Shipwreck. Spam. Yeah, I just killed you. I'll roll a knife. I hate you. I'm just gonna shoot you. Ah, how did I get here? I don't know how I'm gonna get out either. Yeah, awesome, right? Oh my god, it's 24 minutes. I can't upload this thing.